Hi, it's Janet McHugh. Are you having problems achieving your goals? This is a video about that. It's going to be a really quick one. My guess is the problem might not be you. It might be the people around you. What I'm finding is that when you're trying to achieve something, whether it is starting your business, working from home, losing weight, working out, getting a promotion at work, keeping your house cleaner, learning to cook, learning a new hobby, being more active, being a better person, training your dog or cat, whatever that problem is you're trying to achieve, that goal or problem you're trying to fix, the goal you're trying to work out, you get a lot of people that are telling you you can't do it. As a baby, you're born with the belief that you can do anything. You're trained all through your life with the word no. What you need to do is learn to use the word yes. You can do it. So you need to practice saying yes to yourself, because other people that love you, that they know better than you, they're going to continue to tell you, no, you can't do this. This isn't good for you. Whereas maybe it's the right thing for you. Maybe losing that extra 5 pounds or gaining that extra 5 pounds, it's up to you. Whatever fits your body and your needs is right for you. Or starting that new business, or quitting your job and finding the right job, or moving cross country, or whatever it is, whatever the goal you have in mind that's right for you, you make that decision. You have to learn to empower yourself. You have to learn to set your goals. And for me, that's writing it down. When I really want something, I write it down. I put a column on the left and a column on the right. This is my goal at the top. This is what's great about it. This is what's not great about it. I compare the two sides, and then I decide, is this something I really want? Is this good for me? Is this not? If it's something that I decide is good for me, then I go for it. No matter who tells me I can't do it, I find a way to do it, okay? And it might take me weeks, it might take me months, it might take me years, but I do it and I make a success out of it. Great example is me being on YouTube. I was told by a lot of people, oh, you can't do that. Well, here I am on it. I might not have a lot of people following me, but it's really building my businesses. It's really building my website, and it's really helping me out. So if I can do this, you can do whatever your goal is, and I believe in you. So follow me on YouTube, like, subscribe, and comment, and you can always find me at janetmchugh.com. There's going to be a link below. And by the way, I have a blog on my website. Lots of ways to make money, some shopping, and I follow some really great people. I have some really great mentors. And don't forget to look for Heller Razors on Facebook for some really cool t-shirts and mugs. We just got some really great stuff going, Patrick Heller and I. I just think life is great, and I hope your life is great too. And again, janetmchugh.com, and I'll have links for everything. And eventually we'll be linked up to be able to promote his stuff with mine also. So have a great night. Don't forget to empower yourself. Learn to say yes to yourself. When people are telling you no, you can't do it, if it's something that is really good for you, do it, okay? Find a way. Keep trying. Keep plugging away. Keep doing it. You'll make the money. You'll lose the weight. You'll run the 5K. You will do whatever it is that you're trying to do. It is possible, okay? God bless and have a great night. Bye.